Smooth ba yun?
What the hell, bro?
Cause this love is a short thing.
There's no shot. There's no. Okay. Okay. We kept a few things. At least we kept the helmet. Lost my water buckets. Oh, way. Also come off and die right here in front of my island. The last thing we need to do is put down some kelp. Don't have enough kelp though, so I'm gonna have to wait for it to grow. Let's cover this up.
Tinitignan pa. Ayun na, may Johnson. Wala yun dito, hindi yun ano dito.
Kailangan talaga din mo. Control mo. Control.
Mamaya na kasi yan.
Tayo ay pumasok.
Ano yan?
Ano to? Welcome to Garden Villas.
Nakauwi na!
Kunin mo ito aming milk. May chocolate. May chocolate. Ay, may chocolate. Ang dami ng Natutulog na ako.